Hi everyone, welcome back to Phonics. We're going to learn a sound today that some of you will have learnt when you were in class, and for some of you this is a little bit new. So let's get our magnet eyes ready. Let me see your magnet eyes. And let's get our listening ears. Okay, and the sound that we're going to do today is A. A. A, A, A. 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 A, A, A. Fantastic. Let's have a look at the picture that goes with our sound. You've got two boys playing here, and the girl comes over and she says, "May I play?" A. May I play? Fantastic. I wonder what the boys say. I hope they let play. A, may I play? Fabulous, well done. Okay, if I turn it round, there's how we read and that's how we write the sound. It's a special friend again, two letters making one sound. An A and a Y, an A and a Y together making the sound A. A. Brilliant. So on this side, you will say, A, may I play? And on this side, you're going to say, A. Are we ready? Magnet eyes. Let's see if I can catch you out. A. Brilliant, well done. Okay, now I left my small A card at school, so I've had to make my own A card. Okay, so I'm going to try and hide it in with the pack with some of the other special friends I know you know. When you see it, I want you to give it a wave. Can you remember this one from the other day that we learnt? Okay, are we ready? Super speedy, let's go. Well done. Remember to give it a wave when you see it. Put it back in. Brilliant. There it is again. Let's pop it back in one more time. Brilliant, well done. Give yourselves a marshmallow clap for those super speedy sounds. Right, I'm going to use Fred now. Remember, he can only talk in robot sounds, and so we're going to use those sounds to make a word. Are we ready? Using our sound of the day. What's our sound of the day? Well done, are we ready? D-A. A, D, A, D, A, D, A, day. D, A, day. Fantastic, well done. Let's try another one. T, A, T, A, T, A, T, A, tray. Good. A, tray. Well done. One more, Fred. Oh, I hope you've been doing lots of this. P-L-A. 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 Play. P. Oh, my dog, silly dog. P-L-A. Play. Brilliant, well done. Okay, let's have a go at special friends. Fred talk, read the word. Are we ready? Special friends. Fred talk. Read the word. May. It's going to be the month of May soon. And this word here is in our sound picture. May I play? May. Special friends. Fred talk. Read the word. Way. Do you know the way? Special friend. Fred talk. Read the word. Say. Special friends. Fred talk. Read the word. Day. That was good because I've taken the dots and dashes away from that one. Special friend. Fred talk. Read the word. Brilliant. Play, that one was. Sorry, play. Special friend. Fred talk. Read the word. Spray. Spraying something with water. Spray. And then we're back to the beginning. Well done. Do you remember I introduced you to some silly words last time? Nonsense words or alien words we called them. I've got some more here for you. Okay, I've got 3 we're going to have a go with today. There are 2 special friends in this word. Can you tell me what they are? Special friends? Fred talk. Read the word. Che? What a load of nonsense. Special friends. Fred talk. Read the word. Play? What a load of nonsense. Special friend. Fred talk. Read the word. Dray. What a load of nonsense. They were really silly words, really tricky to read as well. So well done. Thumbs up for you. Brilliant. Okay, no dots and dashes this time with some words of the sound that we learnt last time and some other tricky words in here. Okay, so we're going to Fred talk while I hold it to my chest and I'll push it forward and you read the word. Okay, and then we're going to do it in our head. Are we ready? Fred talk. Green. Fred talk. Fred talk. Slip. And you slip on the floor. Fred talk. Black. Fred talk. Strop. Fred talk. Drip. Okay, this time, instead of Fred out loud, Fred talking it, I want you to do Fred in your head. Okay, and then when I push it forward, I want you to read it. Okay, are we ready? Fred in your head. To the beginning. Well done. Okay, one last time with these words. I'm going to move them back through the pack and I want you to see if you can read them a little bit quicker. That means we're reading with fluency, reading a bit more fluent with our words. Are we ready? Well done. I'll do that one more time. Brilliant. Well done. Give yourselves a fantastic. Well done. Okay. Some of you might have these little books at home. If you do, I want you to see if you can find the sound that we learnt today and the sound that we learnt the other day. And you can practice writing that sound. Okay. If you don't have them, just get some paper, and that's absolutely fine. You can do it on some paper. And there are some words as well to help you, okay? There's some words that you can remember from a while ago when you were in class, and there's some words with the sound in there as well, okay? Well done, everybody. Thank you for joining me, and I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.